Hello, hello, hello. This is your Type Inch pero pusong Binay.
And we're still here. Welcome back. Kami ulit. Good morning everyone. But good evening here in Singapore. It's 7 in the evening, 7:30. So we still have more than 1 hour of waiting. And ito, happy talaga ang aming baby. Happy. Paki si mama sa fit, babe. Paki si mama. Let mama kiss the fit. Smell ko fit, smell. Let me smell your feet. Smell yung feet ni Bella. Mga beshi yung. Smell yung feet, smell. Smell. Ayaw ibutang sa table ng feet. It's not good to put the feet in the table. It's not nice. It's not a good man. Okay? Smell lang si mama, smell. Tinatanggal niya yung sapatos siya. Siguro naiinitan niya. Kinukulukos niya. Don't put in the table. Another one. Smelly. Si Bella. Dali na, finish your food para mag-change na tayo. Huh? We will change. Oh, smile na naman siya. Give them a cute smile. Oh, shush, no one. You're happy? You're happy? Give them a kiss for today. Kiss for today. Mwah. Good job. But mommy, kiss. Love mo si mommy? Very good. Mwah. Say, I love you. I love you. Say, I love you to the Beshi. Love you, Beshi. Si Miggy, you miss Tita Donna? Kanina, nangiyak-niyak to kanina. Sabi niya, I will miss the Philippines daw. Taka tawag niya, ang dami niya mamimiss, especially the
house and cousins.
The house, cousins, and the food. That's what he will miss. What about this one? What you will miss? You will miss only the cat and the dog. You will miss the cat and the dog. The cat and the dog. Smell mommy feet. Smell mommy feet. Smelly man. Smelly ashy man yan. Dali na para mag-change tayo. Nagustuhan niya tong chicken nuggets eh. Very good man yan. Kain lang din. Ganyan lang. Kain lang, Inday. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan na. Ay, finish that one ha. Do not play ha. Very good, Bella. Oh, nalaglag man. Ayaw, ilaglag, Inday. Eat lang, eat. Very good. Dili na pwede kayo nalaglag man. Kiss mo na, Beshi. Kiss mo na. Cutie face. Cutie face din. Ay, kapalongga kayo. Oh. Very good. Again. Again. Oh. Again. Kiss Beshi first. Kiss. Kulit mo? Ang kulit mo na? Ewan ka sa'yo. Kakatuwa naman talaga ang anak. Uy! Ano naman gulat dyan? Gulat ka man dyan. Ha? Gulat ka man dyan. Kasi papalitan ko ng damit. I-ready ko lang ang damit niya bago kami pumunta sa CR. Shorts lang yan siya. Ayan, yung comfortable lang na isusuot niya. Para si Miggy ang maiiwan sa mga gamit namin. Okay? Magpapalit sa kapatid niya. Pero dadalhin na namin yung mga gamit. Do you wanna stay here or you wanna come with us na in the toilet?
I will change my hood.
You will change also, but are you okay now? Show me, come. Yeah. Yung likod mo. Yeah, it's okay na.
I can?
You can put this one on na. Okay, ikaw muna. Dito, okay lang naman magsapaw ka na dito. Bihisa na ang ating Bella pot. And then, si Miggy Wings, binigyan ko ng reward for being a good boy. Ang gusto man lang niya kay ano man lang ang gusto niya. Tawag nito, candy daw ang gusto niya. Ha? Sour punch? You go get it. You give it to me. Ayan. Yung akong pala. Tingnan ko nga yung panglagay ko doon sa bahay. Baka may maano ako. Ito nga yun. Ito yun. Pero kailangan may something na Singapore-inspired illustration. Plato man to. Hindi yung pang display lang. Ganyan pa naman yung kalaki. Be careful, ah. Be careful, anak. Be careful, it will fall. Nana, take Bella away from here. Patay tayo niyan. Kaya maabot niya yan ngayon. Ayan o, mga mug ng Singapore. Kaya here's your reward. Yan lang talaga ang gusto niya. And then, let's push the Bellaling na. Bata talaga si Bellaling. Bellaling! Bellaling, Bellaling, Bellaling. Gio, it's cute. Right?
We can go to the
It's
boarding,
cute.
right?
Yeah, we can go now. This one, it's cute also, right? But this is $20, but let's go. Wait, don't think about it. Ayan no? So, mga bata ay mga cute. Anyway, we're going to the boarding gate now para medyo makarelax at makapanukad ako. Kaya mamaya nito, ang hirap lang kasi pag mabait naman yung mga kabata. At least hindi nag-iiyak, hindi nagtatantrums. Hirap lang kasi medyo mabigat si Bella. Tapos sa chest ko natutulog. Doon ako hindi nakakatulog. What is it?
Is this country Middle East?
No, this is Asian.
Why?
This is Asia, part of Asia, but they have a Muslim also.
This also
People.
have Muslim of Asia?
No, Muslim is a religion, anak.
Sorry.
Okay, so Muslim religion is also everywhere in the world. Okay, not only in the Middle East.
Yeah.
There's more in the Middle East, but they're also all over the world, and we have to respect every religion. Okay? And then, ayan, ang cute ng nila, oh. Ceiling nila. Meron akong gustong bilhin dito eh. May nagpasalubong sa amin noon, no. Tawag niyan. Ano nga bang yung nagpasalubong sa amin? Yung parang salted egg na chips.
Mommy,
Oh.
I can't tell the difference because in US it's $100.
Uh-huh.
Also here it's dollars.
It's Singaporean dollars. It's different.
Yeah.
That's US dollar and here is also dollars but Singaporean dollars because we are in Singapore. So does it make sense?
Singaporean, but I was correct.
Okay. You are correct. I think ito yun na. Tapos salted egg ang flavor. Parang ito yun eh. Yeah. Parang ito nga yun. Crispy snacks. Yung prawn fritters. Tapos may siya. Meron ako nakita nung nagbigay sa amin eh. Tapos flavored siya ng salted egg. Magtanong tayo sa loob para ayan na nga, ito na nga seaweed na salted egg. Ito na nga 'yun. This one. Seaweed salted egg. Magkano kaya 'to? Mabili ako nito, bahala na. Grabe ang technology, no. Tingnan niyo yung machine na naglilinis ng carpet nila. Robot na, wala nang tao. Hindi na operated ng tao. And then, nadidetect niya kung may tao na masasagasaan or wala. Bella! Dog! Talaga namang ang ganda-ganda ng mood. Basta galaan na. Huh? What the cow say? What does the cow say? Cow say moo. What does the cow say, Bella? Bella! Oh, cutie face. The cow say moo. Moo. Moo, very good. And the duck say quack quack. The duck say Bella, cutie face. Cutie face. The duck say quack quack. Busy yung niya, busy yung mata niya kung ano-anong nakikita. Doon na kami sa C24 anak. C24.
C24.
Yes, we're going to C24 now. Moo. The cow
It's very
say
near C20.
yeah, we are now at C20 and time check is 20:04 or 8:04 in the evening. So we have about 51 minutes left. Yeah, before the boarding time. Dami-dami ding pasahero dito sa Singapore Airport, no? Dami ding nag-aantay ng mga connecting flights nila like going to Europe, US, Middle East. Isa din kasi ang Singapore sa yung hub ba ng mga airlines. I think dito maraming airlines ang lumilipad dito, unlike doon sa Finland konti lang ang airlines na lumilipad doon at saka walang direct flight talaga from Finland to the Philippines. I think number one is because of the population na rin ng mga Pinoy doon sa Finland na hindi ganun kadami kaya hindi pa sila pwedeng offer ng direct flight from Finland to the Philippines. Kasi syempre malulugi nga naman sila kung 10,000 lang ang population. Buti kung everyday may umuwi. Pero sana no, hopefully, let's all pray na sana they will offer direct flights from Finland to the Philippines. Kahit one flight lang, kahit 3 times a week, I think pwede naman siguro yun. Feasible naman siguro yun. Doon anak, let's go there anak. Yeah, we can go there. We can have the trolley here. You go first, dali, with Bella, so I can look after you guys. Miggy, look where you're going, huh? Yeah. Be careful. Yan. Tuwa itong mga anakis na ito. C23 na to, tapos yung doon, pag ganun paliko doon, yun yung C24, yun yung ating boarding gate. Anak, be careful, nak. Ayan, isa pala sa mga ano dito, nagustuhan ko dito. Miggy, hold Bella, please. Yung ano ba, pag yung boarding pass kinuha namin, pero pagdating namin galing Pilipinas, hindi ka na dadaan pa ng another security check kasi sa Hong Kong ganun eh. Pagdating namin galing sa Finland, dadaan ka pa ng pila ng security check, and then bago ka pupunta ulit mag-transfer ng iyong flight. Dito wala na, diretso na siya. Ganun ka ano din dito, convenient din dito. Wala ka nang dadaanan na border control, security check. Pag may boarding pass ka na, diretso ka na dun sa gate mo. Of course, hindi ka na rin dadaan ng immigration kasi connecting flight man tayo. Hindi man tayo lalabas dito sa airport. But then in Finland, pagdating natin, syempre, dadaan ulit tayo ng immigration. So, ayun na, C24 na doon sa side na yon, going to Finland. Gate C24 is already here. At least we can have some rest already before our boarding. Yeah, let's sit. Medyo malayo-layo din kasi yung ano natin, no? Nilakad. Yeah, we walk a bit far. Kaya, napagod din yan si Miggy. Pero very good naman ang ating Miggy Wings. Ayan, later on dyan tayo mag-boarding. I don't know anak, but let us see. Ang ganda pa dito sa airport na to kasi kahit saan ka umupo, merong charging station. Kanina nung kumakain kami, may maliit na table doon, nag-charge yung cellphone mo. Kaya medyo naka-recharge din si Inday Caria. That's our gate, C24. Yeah, so we will be here muna anak. Dito muna tayo while we're waiting. Oo. Biglang bumait ka kasi may camera. Kuya, she wants to go there. Nagpaharuhay kami kasi ni Miggy. Tinaas namin yung paa namin dalawa. You're done already putting your feet up? Why you remove? Don't remove your socks. Why? What happened? Ha? Ano man yan? I-remove niya yung socks niya. Nag-ano na kami, nag-jacket na kami. Alam mo nangyari dito sa ano ko? Dito sa jacket ko. What did Bella do? She did something here. Ito pala. Sinulatan pala niya ito ng mga ballpen kanina. I don't, Inday. Kay dirty din yan. Pero wala tayong magawa dyan, Inday, ha? Wala tayong magawa dyan, ha? You have to sit there. No. You have to sit there because you're up thinking, ano man yan? Don't put in your mouth yung finger mo. Di talaga maiwasan yan sa bata eh. Monkey, the cow say, ow, ow. Huh? Does the cow say woof, woof? Does the cow say meow, meow? Bella? Bella, bye. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Oh, Miggy, where is her other nalaglag yung, nawala yung isang hikaw niya, Gi. Hala, bigay pa naman yun nung Mama ni Mel. OMG, where's your other hikaw na naman? Maluwag lang kasi yung isang hikaw na yun pagka ko. Kasi ito yung parang
I think it's
may allergy niya. Yeah. Ay, naku, Bella. You lost your hikaw again.
She lost the first one in Finland, right?
Yes. And now she lost again the second one. Pero normal talaga yan pag mga bata. Gusto niya, Gi, push her, Gi, dali, Gi. Gusto niya gumala doon, anak. Sige na, anak. Kuya's going. Nanggigigil eh. Sige na, kuya. She just want to be pushed. Dito muna yan. Ating gawin sa pasensya na dyan sa aking paa. Inangat ko muna kay, anong tawag nito? Medyo nakakapagod yung lakad. Diara, nag-move pala sa C20 ang aming gate. Kaya pala kami lang ang nandun. Asa ba yung C20? Nandito lang naman yun. Nandali ha, dito sa unahan. We're here na C20. Yeah, it's here. Let's go here, priority lane. Let's leave this one here. I'll take Bella with me first.
Wait,
Yeah.
it's here?
Yeah. Let's do the same thing again. Almost. Yeah,
Almost
thank you,
close.
Lord. Yeah, no, there's still so many.
I
know
thought we
passengers.
missed it.
No, we didn't. We will make it. Don't worry. Doon kami sa 24. Antay kami ng antay. Bakit walang passengers doon? Nagtaka ako eh. May kausap ako. Yun na. Patay na. Really, where's my phone? Ayan na. Ito yung phone ko. And then boarding pass is with Miggy Wings. Give me water, anak.
We made it.
There is the fin air.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought we missed the flight.
Yeah.
We
We
almost.
almost missed it. Muntika na naman tayo.
And I'm happy we made it.
Yeah, of course. We will make it. Look at the girls, bro. We also to Finland. Back to reality, back to school.
And back to fun days.
Maybe more. Welcome Finland na naman kami nito. Bukas. Yeah, now is 9:30. We almost missed the flight. Aangat kami doon. Chismis kami doon sa gumagawa ng bahay. Hindi namin na-realize. Walang tao doon. Buti na lang natauhan ako. Ba't walang tao? Anong oras na? 8:30 na. Yun pala, nandito pala yung mga tao. Bago tayo umalis, gawa na tayo ng gatas ng bilay. Ay, matutulog na rin ito ngayon. Sana lang pala katulad nung flight namin kanina na okay lang ang lahat. Meron naman ako yung order. Kailangan ubos natin lahat ng gatas. Wala na. Okay na lahat. And then meron kami ng mineral water dito. Yun lang ang ating ilalagay na water na binili namin kanina. We will shake it, shake, right? Pag kulang, dadagdagan lang natin pag kulang. Nilay, ready? You ready for the next flight? You ready to see Finland again?
Yeah.
Natin na ma-dissolve lahat yung gatas. Okay na yun.
Authorized to electronic cigarettes.
She's crying.
You may use smartphones and other handheld electronic devices during the flight. Make sure they are now set to flight mode. You may switch to normal mode after
Bella wants
landing.
daddy.
All other electronic devices, such as laptops, must be switched off and stowed for takeoff, landing, and when not in use during the flight.
Siya daw hindi daw
The
siya
safety
umiiyak.
features of this aircraft can be found in the safety card located in your front pocket.
Take off na kami.
We
Matang batuta na natulog na. Tahimik lang talaga siya matulog. Miggy yan kain na kasi may meal service na. Ako ay hindi na lang kain. What did you get, Kuya? It's chicken adobo. Chicken adobo ano?
It's rice.
Yeah, it's chicken and rice but it looks like adobo. No, it's not adobo. We're not in we're in Singapore pala and going to Finland. Wala na palang adobo. I forget. And the other one, can you show me what's the other one? Is it fruits? The other one. Can you show me? I think it's salad. Salad?
Yeah.
Kami ni Bella, matutulog na lang kami. Good morning, friends! Good morning!
Also,
Good girl and a good boy ang mga kasama, no? Good girl and good boy yung mga kasama ni Mami. Walang nagluloko.
Mami,
Sleep lang sila. Ako ang walang tulog.
I slept
Napakalikit matulog.
I slept
Napakalikit,
only a bit,
malikot,
then I
sobra
woke
matulog.
up. I slept a bit,
Grabe
then
yung
I woke
kanina.
up.
Umiiyak ako. Pag alis namin, pag take off, after siguro 2 oras, grabe yung turbulence talaga. Nagkataon pa naman na nagsiserve ng pagkain. Maalog talaga yung aeroplano. Nagkakalampagan yung mga cart nila dito. Meron yung mga drinks na hulog yung ibang mga drinks. Natapon yung ibang mga drinks. Tapos yung ibang mga, remember when it was so bumpy? Right? The turbulence. And then the others were screaming, the children. Diba? Oo, sumisigaw talaga.
I didn't sleep.
Natatakot. Ito kasi, he was watching, he has earplugs in his ears. That's why you didn't hear the others are screaming when there was turbulence. Ako umiiyak. Grabe. Natakot ako. Tapos
Baby cried.
Me too. Nagdasal. Tapos napapurchase tuloy ako ng wifi para mag-message kay Robert. Tapos naghingi ako ng prayer sa aming CFC community. Grabe, natakot ako. I was so scared.
I just slept a bit because I couldn't sleep well.
Yeah, we couldn't sleep. But Mommy too didn't sleep because the Bukaykay is so naughty. And there's a baby there. You have a friend? May friend siya dito na baby. Hi, friend. Meron ikaw friend? We're playing. What else? One little blue fish swimming in the water. One little blue fish swimming in the water.
Swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 bubble. Pop. Mommy, today I will go to my school. We're in Finland.
Welcome to
Finland.
We're landing. Ayan ang kaland na yung aircraft. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Umaga talaga yung mata ko. Kaya umiyak talaga ako kanina nung grabe yung turbulence talaga.
I miss Philippines.
You miss already Philippines?
Yeah.
You wanna go back?
No.
Kala ko babalik.
I miss everything because the store closes at midnight.
Yeah. Not like si Inday, kaya namin friends. Nag-hi friends. Thank you. You get it? Okay. Take care.
Finally back to Finland. Everything is now normal for me.
Normal for you now. Everything is normal na daw kay Kuya Miggy ulit. Hindi, nag-bye-bye ikaw. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Gusto na niyang mag-biking daw. Mamaya punta daw siya sa friend niya. Ala, Inday, sige. Saan mo gusto pumunta? Our house? Yeah, for sure. Let's go get first a trolley. So we can hold our bags. Inay. Happy man, good girl and good boy man kayo yung mga kasama ko sa travel. Ha? Wala mang mga labad. Very good man ka. Nabay-bay ikaw. This is Inday Bella, Inday Bella. Yan. Good job man kaayo yung mga bata. Dadaan kami ng gatas. Yung gatas naming baon. Yun yung nandito lang. Arrivals. Doon tayo sa kaliwa. Malayo pa naman yung lakarin dito. Dito kami sa dulo. As in, sobrang layo pa ng immigration. Doon pa sa pinakaunahan. Ayun, sana Gio. May nakita sana akong cart doon, anak. Oh, there's the cart there and that side.
When we were going to the Philippines,
Yeah, let's go get it there so we can have have Bella seating. Yeah, we went there, yes, when we were traveling. Kunin natin yung may cart na pwedeng upuan ni Bella Ling. Kaya malayo-layo pa yung aming lalakarin. Pag naman tayo nito, Panington na tayo, balugbog. We'll wait for you here in the side. Kukunin lang ni Miggy yung may nakita siya doon na pwedeng upuan ni Bella Ling. Just get it lang. I will wait here, okay? Just leave the bags here. Leave the bags here na. Yeah, okay, leave it there. I will come. Ayan. Para maipwesto namin itong aming bilangkad. Sakit sa likod, oy. Mabigat. Tapos mabigat ba tong backpack ko? Kaya kami nagpalit ni Miggy kay backpack niya to. Pero hindi. Naawa ako sa anak ko eh. Medyo mabigat to. Ayan. And then I will put Bella. Can you hold please? I will put Bella here. Yay! Hindi.
It's early morning, right?
Yeah, it's early morning. Ang bigat talaga nitong backpack na to.
This airport shift start at very early morning.
Tawag nito, yes. Airport runs 24 hours. Paano ba to? Ganyan. So,
it's like that, like our
this.
own.
And then, I think that's okay. Okay, let's do it this way. You push Bella, I'll do the other 2 small luggages. And then, if we find another trolley, then we're good. Doon sa unahan, merong isang trolley doon sa unahan. Trolley, pero hindi masyado mahirap. Hindi masyado bigat. Yes! Okay, let's go. Now, baliktad. Kasi malalaglag ito. Ganyan. Ito na, malapit na kami sa border control. Si Robert, nandyan na. Excited din yun, parang hindi rin yun tayo nakatulog. Si Bella din, tawag nito, nakakatuwa si Bella kasi ito yung landing na hindi siya nagganon-ganon sa tenga niya. Comfortable siya nung nagland kami. Huh? What's that? Huh? It's a deer. Dito na tayo, immigration na tayo. Kay, nandiyan na si Daddy sa labas. Daddy's outside, Inday. Bata na good kay Inday. Inday, you're a big girl na. Huh? Inday, monkey muna ikaw, monkey. Dakaw, say. Inday. Hindi, bago na naman yan siya. Yan, tinitingnan mo dyan sa floor. Thank you talaga, Lord. Salamat sa aming CFC community na nagdasal din po para sa aming safe journey. Although hindi ako ganong nakatulog, pero masaya naman kahit hindi ako ganong nakatulog. Miggy, don't run. Kasi tawag nito si Bella kasi ang likot kasi talaga nito pag natutulog. Hindi komportable yung bata pa. Naghahanap din ng higaan yung aming anakis. Kaya ako ang hindi nakatulog. Pero okay lang kasi they were very good naman. I had a very good boy and a good girl during the flight. Hindi, walang tantrums, walang iyakan. Yun naman ang importante. Basta komportable sila at wala silang drama. Okay lang. Okay lang na hindi makatulog ng maayos. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa border control. Meron man ata ditong linya for citizens. And then, dito kami maglilinya. Citizens doon for all passport holders doon sa kabilang side. So, hanggang dito lang muna. Dahil papasok muna kami dito sa border control. Tapos na kami dito sa passport control. Mabilis lang kami dahil doon kami sa may special line kami. Pag may bata ka and then citizens, may special line. Kukunin pa namin yung ano pala namin, baggage claim. So, kailangan namin dumaan dito sa elevator ata. Alam ko sa baba yung baggage claim eh. Oo nga, dito nga tayo sa baba. Kasi tawag niyan doon, transfer flights na yung doon. So, dito tayo and dyan lang naman, one floor down lang naman yung sa baggage claim. Ah, ganda si Daddy. Daddy! Ha? Ah, yeah. Migis, good job. One anak, we're going to the arrivals. Yeah? Ito kasi pinalakad ko na lang kung isa. Kasi medyo mabigat na talaga. Saka mabilis lang naman. May iba namang trolley doon sa
Is
baba.
Daddy waiting for us?
Yes, anak. Kukuha kami ng much bigger trolley para sa mga bagahe namin. You know? Dito na kami. Yan. Baggage claim. Yes, the big trolleys are there. Wait, there is another baggage claim will be here. And then, saan tayo dadaan?
The baggage.
Dito na lang tayo dadaan. Yeah. Rickling. Dali anak, dito na lang tayo kukuha ng trolley. Meron naman dito. Si Bella gusto rin namang maglakad nito eh. Yeah, let's go. Kuya, you can manage? Yeah, we will put that one here na. Yeah, we will bring two. Okay, I will arrange it. Hold Bella first. Come. Off ko muna to. Uy, mudalagan na ba dayon? Dali kuya, diri na lang kuya. Dito mas malapit. Ayan. Halos okay na yung mga bagahe namin. Except one box na hindi pa dumadating. Yun na lang ang inaabangan namin. Ang tagal nung luggage. Ang tagal nag-release ng bagahe dito. Ito pa naman bulat lang. Nagkukulit na. Kasi gustong tumakbo. Gusto puntahan yung dog. Where's the dog? Go to the dog. Dog, where's the dog? Meron dog doon? Where's the dog? The dog say? Munsa man ang dog? Ang itim-itim mo. Pareho kaming lahat ng itim. Anyway, wala pa eh. Tagal nung isa na lang inaabangan mo. Ang tagal-tagal pang lumabas. Tapos man itong isang bagahe. Hindi ko alam bakit nagkabukas yan. Ayan, show them this. Go to Bella, dali. Punta mo si Bella. Nabuksan na yung isang bagahe pero okay lang yan. Pina-fragile ko nga yan eh. I don't know. Baka nagbukas lang talaga yan siya ng pusa. Muli akong mabukda ni Ron. Patay kita ni Ron. Bella, come here na. Let's go na. Ito na. Ito palang isa. Nandito sa special baggage. Nakalagay yung isang box namin. Kaya antay kami ng antay. Sobrang tagal. Wala nang mga bagahe doon. Buti na lang. Chinek ko rin dito. Kala ko na nagbukas pa. Nagbukas yung harapan. Kaya yun. Ito na kami. Dali, Miggy. Si Miggy yung may tulak ng isang trolley kasi Bella ganito. Kaya ako hindi nagdala ng stroller na lang. Para hindi mahirapan pa pagkuha ng mga bagahe. And now we're out. Let's look and Daddy. Daddy is somewhere there. Kuya. Hey, Kuya. Saan kaya sa Uber? Oh yeah, he's there. He's there in the Batu-Batu. Batu-Batu Peak. Ay. Grabe. Ang pinagdaanan namin. Who's that? Who's that? Ay. Ay, Daddy. Ay, Daddy. Grabe. Who's that? Is that for Bella? Who's that?
Hindi ako nakalala.
Ka pa. Nagbago ka na.
Ay, ma.
Tara, Daddy. Pagod na pagod. Thank you, Daddy. Yeah, a bit hard. Ang kulit eh.
Mami and Bella.
Sige na, Kuya. Ako na lang nito ngayon. Nandun pala sa special baggage yung box. Ayun, nabukas pa. Ay, finally, welcome back to Finland.
Kasya kaya?
Ito na ulit kami sa Finland. Kilala ka pa rin?
Siyempre, ano siya?
Nag-day off ka?
Oo.
Talaga naman, nag-day off.
Siyempre.
Na-miss mo kami? Hindi. Slight lang. Saan ka nag-park dun sa labas? Yeah. How do you know? Because. Buti na lang, mababait sila dati.
Kunti lang pa rin bagay mo.
In fairness. Kunti. Kunti pa yan sa'yo. Mag-isa lang akong umari ba?
I get to play.
Nakabagahe ba?
Yung tatlo.
I get to
Yung isa
play
kasi
my-
nandun pala nilagay sa
I forgot my house
sa special baggage.
Pagod.
Hindi, ang pagod lang. Ang struggle ko lang naman is check-in at saka ang arrival, yung mga bagahe nga.
Tingin pa lang.
Pero after, okay naman. Mga ano naman yung mga bata. Walang problema yung mga bata. They were happy. We were all happy in the flight. Ang clap. Daddy, daddy, daddy. Show daddy cute face. Show daddy your cute face. Nung tuwa siya, nakita si Robert eh. Ay, thank you. We have landed safely here in Finland, mga beshis. So yun, hanggang dito na lang po ang aming vlog. Pamilya ko is once again hindi kompleto kasi wala si Kuya. Mamimiss namin si Kuya. So yun, thank you for the love and support. This is Inday Karya, Inday Bella together. Tayo finish dahil ang aking nanay, finish aking tatay. Ako proud Pinay. Bye!